Hello Year 7 and welcome to your first topic, which is word processing. And here is our first video. And as the title shows you, we're going to be looking at spelling, grammar, fonts, sizes and line spacing. So let's get started on that. Well, the first thing we're going to look at is spelling, and you will see from this text from Harry Potter, we have a series of squiggles, red squiggles, and we have two areas where there are parallel lines. Well, the squiggles will show that there are spelling mistakes, and the underlines show there's grammar mistakes. Though you may also see that there are other words which are in bold and italics which haven't been underlined, and we're going to need to do something about that as well. Well, let's start off with spelling, and to correct the spelling we can do it one of two ways. We can click on the word which is misspelt, then right click and you'll see it up here, and we can click number. So we have that. Let's do it again. Right click on the word, pick the right one and click. So that's one way of doing it. It's a slightly slower way compared to this way. So we can go Tools, Spelling and Grammar, Spelling and Grammar. And up comes the Spelling and Grammar box, and it will show the spelling mistake is in red and the suggestion. Well, we want this one, so we're going to go and click Change. This there is the right spelling, but it's in the wrong context. We want this one, T-H-E-I-R, which shows possession, and we're going to click Change. Medieval, magic, and we'll keep going. Here we see that there is a space between roof and the full stop. We don't want one, so we'll click Change. And we're just going to keep working our way through the passage. Okay, so let's have a look what we've done so far. Well, we've got rid of our squiggles, and we've got some of these words which were out of context corrected, but we can see that there are three others. So the Dursley family of number 4, well, it's not that 4, F-O-R, it's going to be putting a U in it. And this witch is not that, but W-I-T-C-H, a witch on a broomstick. It's not a bumblebee, it's this one. And it's not where we use the word to with double O instead of for also, but we use it with just one O. So even though our spelling and grammar does a great job, we should always proofread to ensure that our passage of writing is correct. So that is our spelling and that is our grammar. So let's look at fonts now. Well, I'm going to go and highlight this text, and there are different ways to bring up font. We can go to here and click the drop down menu and see that we have a whole range of possible fonts, and they go all the way down. I'm going to go and pick Batang, and you can see that it changes. If you know the font that you want, so for example, I can put in Comic Sans and press return, it will change it. Our third way, which is very similar, we can go to here and we can go to font collections. And essentially, it's a group of fonts which have been put or have been categorized. Let's look at Fun and let's look at Papyrus. And we can either make it all squashed up or the same. Let's do it all squashed up. And so we get this. Font size, we can, again, here's a drop-down menu, and pick the size that we want. Or we can go super small. I'm going to, in this case, type in what I want, and I'm going to go with a 12 and press return. The final thing that we can do is line spacing. Now these are alignments, I'll show you briefly, but we do come on to this in a later exercise. This is left align, center, right align and justify. But next to all of those is this button I want to look at, and we can click and it will increase the line spacing. Let's bring that back to something reasonable and we'll do that. So in this short video we've looked at spelling. We can right click on the word and choose the one from a drop down menu. We can go tools and spelling and grammar and use the functions there. We've shown you how to choose fonts, how to choose sizes and how to look at line spacing. So have a go at all of that and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.